Salata para somewhere original. Tawag ibang Nos ha presentado el proyecto en total, pero nos ha focus riba el Prome milestone que nos me entregar y ese ainda está according to schedule y overall schedule el proyecto completo está na 50% y se está cuadrado con nos está año y medio y nos falta año y medio más para acabar, entonces costa yendo according to schedule ainda.
A medida de visita de proyecto, ¿qué cultura nos mira durante la visita? ¿Qué fase de proyecto nos mira?
Nos mira é parte da fase 1A, então parte crucial como se acaba é baggage handling system. Então essa é a primeira milestone, se nós awak ave kuta é kuta mais avançada do projeto, pois essa me se acaba para outro contratista bem para instalar equipment em baggage handling. Portanto nós vamos awak com o floor de departure hall da Awetardi. Dus zij tamen nog zo vaak, maar zij acaba de later stage.
I'm very pleased with the progress. But it is, of course, as all projects, we have some challenges. But I think that it is very satisfactory that we can mention that we are running this project on time and within budget. So, and I'm talking about Gateway, the first phase, 1A, and still under control. And I'm very pleased with that.
Sim, a estrutura que eu vejo está mainly o baggage handling system e mané se agora entregar na fim de junho né nós temos aqui outra parte que é echt estrutura uma departure hall uma ainda echt adrenta se lo consambira mais visível agora.
Fecha para abrir o qual está full complejo aqui, lota de hora e
se está na final de ano 2024 agora é tur costa entregar baggage handling está claro é teste agora é para operacional.
Know how the process is going right now as passengers. We will improve, especially the baggage handling process. When you fly out to the US destinations, it will be a state-of-the-art baggage handling system in a state-of-the-art building. So I think that we can really say that after the delivery of this project that we belong to the best airports in the world with this baggage handling system.
There's current ongoing talks if you're going to stay in the position or if you're going to leave the position. A good handing over of the project if you don't continue with this and being the director of the airport.
Oh, I'm very pleased with my position, and I don't know what kind of talks are out there, but I don't mind that. I'm in the position and I will stay in the position. But of course, at a certain moment, also my time is up. But I will leave it in such a way that whoever is going to take over my position at whatever timing, he or she can take it over in a very good mode.